Greetings on the occasion of World Heart Day. So we will learn about the role of diet in strengthening of high health of heart. Heart disease are one of the most common lifestyle disease. Some of the most prominent factors for increased incidence of heart disease include sedentary lifestyle, stress, excessive salt intake, junk food, smoking, and excessive intake of alcohol. While weight control and regular exercise are critical for keeping your heart in shape, the food you eat can matter just as much. No single food can make you magically healthy. So, your overall dietary pattern is more important than specific food. Firstly, I would like to emphasize eating more fiber, fruit, and vegetables. Vegetable and fruits are good source of vitamin and minerals. Vegetable and fruits are also low in calories and rich in dietary fiber. Vegetable and fruit, like other plant-based food, contain substances that may help prevent heart disease. So, eating more of fruits and vegetables help you cut back on higher calorie intake. So, meat, cheese, and snack food, this should be avoided. My second point is have a whole grain food. So, what is the use of whole grain food? They are good source of fiber again and other nutrients, and they play role in regulating blood pressure and healthy heart. You can increase the amount of whole grain in the healthy diet by making simple substitutions for refined grain products. My third point would be very important: salt. So, reducing the salt intake. Eating too much salt can lead to increased blood pressure. Limiting salt is very important, not just for a healthy heart, but also for control of blood pressure. So, I would like to recommend that whatever your sodium or salt intake is, reduce it, cut down by 50%, reduce it to half. If you use 1 teaspoon, reduce it, bring it down to half teaspoon. Just a pinch of salt is more than enough. So, watch your fat intake. I would suggest try replacing unhealthy fat with good fat. So the bad cholesterol will be replaced by good cholesterol. So what are the bad cholesterol is trans fat cholesterol, like which comes in your uh, junk food. Why we call junk? Because it's of no help to your body. It does more harm, like your fried uh, foods, fries, French fries, and all other the packet food stuff that we eat. So that should be minimum as possible. Try to avoid it. That's best. So eat more healthy fats. Eating food rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fat help improve, but means good cholesterol level and reduce the risk of heart disease. Again, I would like to emphasize avoid fat with sugar or refined carb. So our body doesn't need any added sugar. So whatever the added sugar, like in tea or in sweet desserts, or what we take like bread, pasta, or pizzas nowadays. So all this should be brought down to minimum or should be avoided. So again, higher fiber food. I would like means this the whole thing is eat more oats, so that the higher fiber containing food is crucial for her, so that the bad cholesterol in the body is reduced, and the good cholesterol, which is why is it good, because it is good for your heart and your blood vessels, so that is increased. So this is like for the whatever I wanted to tell was about diet, what diet should be followed, that's all. Lastly, the bottom line is diet plays crucial role not only in developing but also in controlling the progression of heart disease. I advise to all my patients to adopt a healthy lifestyle which plays an important role in not only treating heart complication but more important preventing it. Prevention is better than cure. Remember, so once damaged heart cannot be repaired. We have to prevent damage to heart. Thank you.